What the fuck is that? Is that a bee? Wait, is that a fucking bee? Homie, I'm scared of bees. Yo, what the fuck is that? Yo, I swear if it flies at me. Wait, where did its wings go? That bee, that bee is crawling? Wait, is that even a bee at all? It looks like a bee though. No, what is that actually? Oh fuck, is that a spider? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh bro, I was just skating, yo. I was just skating and then I just saw this thing. What the fuck? I was just skating and I literally skated across that thing. And I was like, what the fuck is that? And then there's this another fucking stick that actually looked like, I thought at first it was a stick, then I rode it again, and then fuck it. Man, that fucking thing showed up. Oh, fuck. It's in its wild, natural habitat, motherfucker. Look at that. Yo. Please. Oh. Oh my god. I'm about to sneeze. It's just crawling. I know it's normal, but I haven't seen that in a while. Oh shit, it's a spider. Oh, it's a fucking spider. Oh. I haven't. Oh, fuck me. What? Please comment down below what animal this is. Alright. Are those his eyes? Oh, fuck. Those are his eyes I see right in the front. And the back looks like a bee, not gonna lie. No. Why the fuck are you looking at me like that, sir? No. My buddy. You're right. Do you need help? I'm scared of bugs. I'm a pussy, not gonna lie. I've been since I was a little kid. So these things, oh god. But hope you're doing all right, buddy. I won't step on you. What is? Oh, I hope that thing doesn't fly on me. What the fuck? Oh, fucking. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, it's walking towards the sidewalk. I see. Oh, why is there a fork right there? Whatever. You walking towards that stick, buddy? What do you need a stick for? Are you a lady or something? Are you a man or something? What is your gender? What's your age? What's your height? Where have you been, buddy? Tell me everything. I want to know you. What's your name? I'll name you Stick, buddy. I'll name you Stick because because that stick right there. I'm gonna name you Stick. Stick fork or something. I don't know, Stick. I'm gonna name you a Stick. It's making fucking cricket noise. Is this a cricket or a spider? Let's move my fucking skateboard back. What is that thing? Okay. You're having a good time, aren't you? Aren't you, pal? You are? Yeah. Why won't you say goodbye to my vlog? Oh my god, up close looks horrifying. Why won't you say goodbye? And tell them to subscribe and like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah? Oh, fuck! You alright? I'll help you out. I'll help you out, buddy. Shit. Fuck. Fuck. Bro, move your... Okay. Okay, you're good now. I helped you out. Why are you coming towards me, yo? Yo, chill, homie. Chill, homie. Chill, homie.